Hi, hello, and welcome back to Annalisa Diaries. Hello, video start ആയി.
Hi, hello, welcome back to Annalisa Diaries.
ഞാൻ ഒരിക്കൽ പറഞ്ഞതാ. So, anyways, today's video is a little guide and a little help for all the girls out there. So, നമ്മുടെ previous videos, a lot of enquiries came regarding the headbands we were wearing. So, yeah, she's wearing one in this video too. So, a lot of people asked us, where did we get these headbands from? Did we buy it from particular store, or is it from Instagram, or all those things like that? So today, what are we going to do?
It was actually made by me. It's all handmade. All handmade.
Yeah. So
Chef
what are we doing
promotion.
today? You not do that. Okay. So what are we doing today, Asha?
So today I'm gonna show you how to make this. I'm not exactly making this. I'm making a knotted turban hairband.
You can say the name once more. Maybe.
Knotted turban hairband.
Okay.
It's very easy. It
She
takes
says so.
15 minutes max.
Okay.
So
Can we
let's
start?
get into the video.
Okay. So let's move into the video quickly then. Since today's video is being shot by me, I think I
She's
will.
behind the camera.
Yeah. So I think I'll be here as the voice today. Okay. So yeah, Asha, you can begin.
Yeah, so we have the elastic. Let's keep it in the side. This is for the part where the elastic goes in. So we have to stitch this.
So how many parts are there?
There are 3 different cloth materials. I've actually chosen these 2 will be the main, this where this part comes, and this will be the other where the elastic part of the headband comes.
Okay, we can show the image of a headband here, maybe, right?
Yeah,
So we'll be putting it on
here.
Yeah. Okay.
First time I made this one of these, I took all the exact measurements and everything, like 41 centimeter long and 17 centimeter in width and all of that for the first time I did it. But then it turned out to be too huge for my head. So the next time I did it without measurements actually. So I'm not exactly sure what the measurements are right now. But I think this will be correct fit for my head. So I'll tell you the measurements. I'll put up the measurements here. So okay, so let's move on to the video. First piece of cloth that I've taken is this, and then it's a rectangular piece of cloth, as you can all see. So we are going to be folding this into half and then sewing it up. So let's do that.
Asha stitches pretty well. She learnt it while mummy was learning, or while mummy was doing her stitching. She's quite interested in all this, and I'm not.
You need not actually talk in between this because we can fast forward it.
Okay.
Okay, so I've done it for one time for to it to be like get the extra strength and not wear out soon. You can do it twice, as in twice in the same place.
2 stitches. You put
Yeah,
2
2
stitches.
stitches. Exactly. first one is over, we have to do it the second one also very similar. I mean, exactly as we've done this one. So let's do the one for the elastic as well, and then we are done with the most part of the stitching. So we are done with 75% of the stitching. So this one, actually you can do it in the measurement that was put up there, or you can actually make it to the size of which your elastic is. So this is a little bigger than the elastic, but it is fine. So you can make it to the size of which your elastic is, or you can make it to the size that was given.
You mean the width?
Yeah, the width. Okay, now we have to turn this inside out. So let's do that. So we're done with turning it inside out and everything. So what you have to do after that is place it in the seam and then iron it up. So I've placed it in the seam and I've ironed it. So all three you have to do it like that. Now what you do is put the elastic inside it. So cut a small piece of elastic. A small piece of elastic is enough. So cut it, and then we have to put it inside this. Okay, so we are putting it inside. I've taken there's a safety pin inside here that is going inside this. I mean, most of you will know how you're supposed to be doing this. Okay, when it has come on the one side, like one side is in, you're supposed to stitch it up. So let us stitch it again. We're done stitching it up on one side. Now we have to bring this elastic all the way to the other side. The cloth fully, so we're gonna stitch up the other side. So continuing, the one piece of the cloth you've taken, fold it in half. It will be this long. Fold it in half. Take one end of the elastic, and could you bring the camera a little closer and show how it's done?
Yes.
So this is the elastic's one end. This is the joined end of that piece of cloth. We are keeping it on it, and then fold, 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 and then we have to stitch this up. So yeah. So what I'm basically doing here is a buttonhole kind of stitch so that it stays there and doesn't come out when I pull it on any side. One part of it is done. Now we have to do the other part. So this thing, you see this gap here, put it in through that, and then fold it up. So you see what's going on here, don't you? So it's gone in through that, and I folded it up as half here. Now take the other end of the elastic. Fix it. You see this part where it comes, how the neatly folded part where it comes. So that should be the facing part, and then you should stitch it up. You were supposed to take this part that faces, this should be the facing part, and then stitch it up. So, okay, my only doubt is now if it will fit Anne's head. So, let's see how that one comes out. Anne, come on here. Okay, so the headband is done. So this is how it looks. The elastic here, the front part, the knotted part there. So we're gonna try to fit this on her head. I'm not sure if it fit her head because it's kind of small. I hope the elastic does its work.
I'll do it.
Yeah, you should do it.
Oh.
Try one.
Yeah. I'll do it.
I feel like I'm doing that Kalyan thing. Okay, so the headband is
It fits.
Yeah, it fit her head. So I'm just gonna show you how it looks from the top and the side and a
The
closer.
top view.
This is how it looks from top. I love the color on her head. And front view. So this is the front view. Smile and okay, not so bad. Okay, so that is done. So
Yeah, so now when you start you don't have to start with the best cloth and things like that.
yeah,
But
you
you
can start with the waist cloth that you've got at your home.
And you can convert a lot of unnecessary pieces of cloth lying around in your house to make these really nice headbands that you can wear at home. Or even if you get
Wear outside for functions.
yeah, if
or
you get
that
really
is
good cloth and then you can stitch really good ones, you can wear it outside. Also, you can start getting your own matching
Yeah,
headband. So it's if you go for Portland media, and I think it will cost you
it costs really.
yeah anywhere between 10 to 20 rupees. I think it's even more than that. I have
And it
no
costs
idea.
around 100 to 200.
Okay, it costs
For
around
one.
100 to 200 rupees for one.
I mean,
And
that
you
was
saw-
the first option I tried because I love these headbands. I tried checking them out on Amazon and I saw it was 100 to 200 and then thought, okay, I have so much waistcloth lying around at home.
and
So
you
why
can
not
make
make them at
really
home?
cheap, conveniently, and it's
It takes 15 minutes.
15 minutes work.
First
So-
time it might take more, but
Yeah, in the learning process. But as
Yeah.
you learn, you'll actually, it's really simple, and you start learning it easier. Okay. Now we'll show you a few collections of Asha's hairband. The
That is
process
me.
of learning. I mean, this you see, it's made out of a real
very
base- old based cloth that she.
This was the first try on this headband.
Yeah, so
This
she
was the
learned
first
it
ever
like that.
try.
So
And
this
then
is,
I need
this is one
yeah,
with
and
the
then I
same.
need this.
Yeah.
So it's a red and black.
You can wear it at home when you're walking
Yeah.
around, when you're applying things on your face.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
And then this is the similar one as
one.
that, except that the elastic part is.
This is made out of a really good cloth. Okay, she even wears it outside. So
Yeah.
you can wear it with a matching red color top. So
Yeah.
even black it goes.
It goes with half the dress because
Yeah.
of that color.
Yeah. Now these are another set of hairbands.
These are the knotted hairbands.
Exactly like the ones she is
I
wearing.
am wearing.
So how you do is this.
This is the same part, elastic part of it.
So this was the one I was wearing in the last video.
Yeah, so the elastic part of it is the same one. This is a little bit different. You have to cut the cloth in the shape of a bunny's ears. And then you need to stitch it long so that it keeps around your head perfectly. Otherwise, if you want it small, you can do it like this. Small, you can cut it according to the size that you want it in. And then stitch it, fix both the sides and stitch the elastic as I did for this one. And then it's done. And then you can tie it around your head.
You put the elastic behind, bring it around your head, and you tie
You tie it. So she doesn't know how to tie a knot. And apparently she's messed it up now.
Yeah, so anyways, you got an idea about how you will be doing a knotted hairband also. Yeah, so this is about today.
So do try it out and tell us how it
Let us
worked
know.
for you.
Yeah.
So until we see you in the next